Hey, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and this is the second video on how to make clasps. And this video, we're going to learn how to, I'm going to call this the fancy shepherd's hook clasp. And that's what it's going to look like. Kind of looks like the one we did the last time, but a little bit more fancier. And you can add a bead if you want. This is what it would look like with a bead. All right, and I am not going to show you how to put a bead on it, but I will tell you how. It's pretty simple. And I'm also not going to lower my screen this time because at the angle that I have to be in to see what I'm doing, I can't do it blindly. So hopefully this will turn out okay. All right, so you need your 18 gauge wire. You need your round nose pliers. You need wire cutters, a bead that will fit onto this if you choose to put a bead on. You need flat nose pliers and possibly a file, which I don't need a whole lot, but every once in a while, the way that the wire was cut, maybe you might need one. All right, so let's get on with the show. So you take your round nose pliers and your wire, and you're going to make a loop like so. Okay. Once you get to here, you're going to continue to loop around. Let's see. And you could go as many times as you want. I'm going to go, let's see. I want to go, and sometimes you might be able to take your flat nose pliers when you get to this point and do it like that. I'm going to go one more time. We're going to make a fancy one here. Okay, so then you have something that looks like that. Now you're going to want to make this big part here. And so you're going to take your round nose pliers and you're going to put it up like this. See how I have it? And then you're just going to wrap your wire around them like so. So you have that. Now this is at the point that you're going to decide whether you want to put a bead on it or not. Like I said, I am not going to put a bead on mine. If you're going to put a bead on yours, you need to kind of measure how long you need for the bead and then guesstimate for the loop. Okay, I am going to cut it about right there because I want a pretty good size loop. Doesn't look like I need it filed, but if I did, you just file it like that back and forth until you get it where it will fit snugly on the neck of the shepherd's hook here. So then you take your pliers and you're going to, I'm going to go around a couple times like that. And there you have your fancy shepherd's hook. Pretty easy, don't you think? All right, go practice that and I'll be back with another clasp. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.